everyone. Today I want to something very special about we all of us, multiple classmates. We are all such great friends. We always share our toys, help others, and make each others and smile. With our kindness, I love how we always say kind words and play with everyone. We make our classroom a happy place. I want to express my gratitude for being such great friends. To all of us, we will always cherish our fun together, playing, learning, and laughing. I pray that God blesses you always and helps you grow into wonderful people. Let us give thanksgiving to our God.
Let us now listen to an inspiring message from one of our computers, Johnny A. Garcia.